Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download LLMs locally using LM Studio. First, and after you download and open LM Studio, you will be greeted with this home page. In this input field here, you can search for the LLM you want. For my example, I'm gonna go with Qwen 2.5. Let it search. And then here you have it. You have all the search results for Qwen 2.5, which are basically LLMs deployed on Hugging Face. Now remember, LM Studio is linked to Hugging Face, so you will get all the versions here. As you can see here, you can choose whatever you want. Now some of you might be confused what's Q2, Q3, and Q4. It means it's quantized, which are smaller versions of the main LLM. Now pick the size that you want and click on download. And once the model is downloaded, well, I'm gonna cancel it here because I have already downloaded a model. You can go and test it out in their own interface. Just click on this conversation icon and you will be redirected to this interface. Remember, the LLM is running locally on your machine, so it needs good processing power dependent on the LLM you have downloaded. But if you don't want to use it through LM Studio, you can always go here and you can run it on your own server, which is very simple, as you don't have to do anything else. Just select the server port and some configurations here, and then click on Start Server. And there you have it. Now, if you go to VS Code, I have built this small code that allows me to interact with this server. So if we start it here, we will be prompted to insert our user message that will be sent to the local LLM to process. Let's ask it what is HTTP. See, the model is working. If we go back here, you will see the logs of the request. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.